Challenge 3. Easiest way to do this baby is primarily with Proteus, but keep him moving. If he slows down, he's dead. Keep him moving. He will kill most of the stuff that's going to get you. And then you just clean up at the end with your event tune. Just keep him moving, so you just almost no damage. Alright, get out of there, because these guys, these little flying things, will do him damage. Now we're just going to take out all the rails and all the overwatches, and then we'll bring in our tune and we'll be done. This is a quick base. This is a quick little ditty. You can try to take them out, but you'll end up getting more damage than it's worth. Usually you can get about a minute or a minute and a half damage with your Proteus. We'll see what we got this time. Again, if you don't do it right, if they get you, they get you. Not the end of the world. You got time before you come back. I only use it on base 3. So I got plenty of time for him to repair. But usually it's only a minute and a half repair. So I can use him anytime I want to. Alright. Now we got to get in here and get in and get out. Get there. Get in and get out. Alright. Now we'll bring in our tune. And basically most of the killing will be done by the Lightbringers. Bounty Hunter will be the distraction. And the other guys supporting will do just that. They'll kill the air for you. Basically, the Lightbringers will kill everything but the air. So you let your other guys kill the air for you. And then you kill the rest. Get down here. This bad turkey's done. And now we just put it on Ruby and let him clean it out. We should end up with very, very little damage. There's a 4. We'll kill the 4. In the meantime, wow. We can't do that yet. He needs to be repaired a little bit. Alright. Let's see how much damage they got. It should be very little. 2 minutes and 27 seconds with the Proteus. No, that was the tune. That was an earlier tune. Okay, where's the Proteus? There he is. 26 seconds of repair. And let's see what the event tune got. It should be arriving any second. 29 seconds. That's unbelievable.